root. So I use student. Password is also student. Why student? Already I told, like, it's easy to. It is not at all required on my screen. Now this is my screen. Now a little bit like this one. Okay. So what is that file? ls okay, cat space mp1, right? So this is your file. Now Gaurav got an issue when he put a command like a cat space hyphen f1 or f2, whatever it is, emp1. One single thing should be shown, right? Only that particular field only. It is a field cutter. So one particular column only it should show. Okay, but he is getting like how it is. We are getting like this only. It is showing like this only. Why? Because of, so system will understand this is a column and this is a another column, means we need a not a space. Space is also a character wise. It will, we have to consider space as a character. Okay, but what happened here? So this space, it should be like empty one. For example, in a table we have a separate, right? So this is separate, this is separate. In this column, this is a one element, this is another element, this is another element, right? This is a row, this is a row, and this is a element. Okay, this is a column and this is a row. You know that one, but I'm telling one element, right? So element to element in the row should be separated, so then it will understand there are in different columns. That's why you got a column. And what to do? vi emp1 emp1 enter. So you are in the data, right? So what you will do, just press I. So means it is a insert mode. You are in insert mode now. Then what to do, go to this number, backspace, then now it is Madhu 31, and press the tab button. Press the tab button, then you will get a tab space. Tab indicates, so that's the split will come, so like a row to column. So each element is will be there in a different columns like this one. Already I done. Okay, like this. For each thing you have to go one, then go to typist, then go to like this. Okay, so for clerk so I'm doing, so make sure that a tab space, so then it is split into column. And sorry, what I've done, escape u. Okay. So then again press I. You have to be sensitive in that one, otherwise you can use nano. If your column is only this one, use nano, no problem. And I done completed. Escape colon wq, escape colon wq. The colon wq must be end of the page. Automatically it go to end, you don't need to go to end. Okay, you don't need to go to end. So just escape colon, automatic colon is appear in the bottom of the screen or terminal. So press wq to for save and quit, save and quit. So now this is the thing. Then you can try again, is it cutting or like this or not. Okay, so Gaurav, this is thing. Okay, do like that. He had some different names also, Sayali, Gaurav. No problem. So you can use different names. Just I copy paste.
Sir, it's working.
Working now.
It worked. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
I used space as you said.
Okay. Yeah. Space considered as a
Yes.
character in that one in a table form.
Yes.
So you have to use the tab button.
Yes.
That's it. Good, good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now we'll go to the VI options. VI options. How to use the VI thing. I have a file called G file one. So this is files I added, edited some lines. So this is the line. Okay, I use VI for options purpose. So how to go with the options? VI file name is G file one. VI file name is G file one. Enter. That's a green color. You can see that is in a column. So I am not in a insert mode. I'm not in insert mode. So because of this, okay. Now you can see the full screen. Okay. So I'm not in a insert mode. Okay. I'm in a first row. I'm in a first line. Guys, remember I'm in a first line. I'm pressing G, GG, small GG. So the it is in first line only. So I'm going to capital Z, means shift Z. So the cursor went down to the last line. If you observe, cursor went to last line. Now I'm pressing small gg only, no caps, small gg. It went to the top. It went to the top. So for understanding, I'm going to this line. So I'm in a third line. I'm in a third line. Okay, I'm in a third line. So I'm pressing small gg, gg two times, gg two times, gg went to top. I'm pressing capital G. It went to last line. So this is one option. So what I press, I went to VI G file one. Just any file, take a one any big file which is having 4 5 lines or 6 lines. You can use it. And anyway, that gedit part is completed now. So that grep command is completed. Okay. So next, what I done when I open, so I press small gg. Small gg to go to start of the line. Then okay, then I press capital G to end of the line. End of the line. So think like this is a line. Okay, so whatever the line it is, DG means top of the line. Capital G end of the file. DG start of the file first line. This is end line in the file. So remember that one. Okay, but whether you put a GG or a capital G, it's a file only. It is insert mode is not came. Okay, so first one. Second, where I'm in this work from home is there now. So I'm in at K. I'm at K. Okay, so I'm at K. So clearly see that picture. I'm pressing I button. So I will reduce this size of the terminal. No, no, no. That is clear, very small. Why? Because I want to show you in a very with big eyes. Okay, so guys, anywhere you can go, no problem. But I went to here in a work from home. I'm at F. Okay, I'm pressing I small I press I went to insert mode and see my cursor. My cursor is still at F only. My cursor is at F only. You can see that color F only. Okay, and F only. Now I'm typing something. I'm typing K. See, or I will use better like P. Where it is printing. Where it is printing before cursor. Where it is printing before cursor. I'm pressing escape again. I'm pressing escape. Insert mode is gone. Now I'm pressing P. Not working. Not working. Okay. Pressing I, it is insert mode. Then only I can put something in it. Okay. Escape. So escape means command mode. I means insert mode. Next. Again, my cursor, I keep my cursor at F. I am pressing capital I. I am pressing capital I. Shift I. Where is my cursor? Cursor went to start of the line. Cursor went to start of the line. So if I press something, see, it is a start of the line automatically. Escape. So I'm going to middle of the line. I went to middle of the line and press capital I. So it is go to start of the line and as well as insert mode. Insert mode. Escape. Next. Again, I'm in middle of the line. Now I'm pressing A, small a, small a. The cursor is shift to next. See, escape. My cursor at F. Can you see that cursor is at F? I'm pressing small a, like this. Okay. The cursor is shifted to next, next, small a, escape. Now I'm pressing capital A. I'm using option capital A, shift A means capital A. Cursor went to end of the line. Cursor went to end of the line. Again, I'm repeating. So I'm at F. I press small I. Small I means it is go to insert mode at cursor only. The cursor is not shifting anywhere. The cursor is where I keep the cursor. That place only cursor is there. If you type, then the cursor will start printing. Like right. So this is I. Small I. This is small I. Insert mode. Next. Capital I, start of the line. Capital I, start of the line. Okay. Next, again, small a, next to the cursor. Small a, next to the cursor. So, what is the current cursor is shifted to next and go to insert mode. There are insert commands only. Capital I, small a. Escape, escape. I'm using capital A now. End of the line automatically. Insert mode and as well as end of the line. End of the line. Okay. So again we'll go to this picture. Okay. So for example, this is a somewhere line and here is a capital I, so means start of the line. Okay. For example, this is a cursor side. For example, your cursor is here, so the cursor is okay. So better to take this one. Okay. So straight line, this is the cursor line. So okay, and you press a small I, so small I will be there at cursor only. Capital I, start of the line. Next, small a means after cursor is shifted next to the cursor. It shift next to the cursor. Capital A, end of the line. Capital A, end of the line. Okay. Next, where is this? Here it is. Okay. So these are the sum of options. Escape. Now I'm going to press. I'm here only. Work from home. Okay. I'm here only. I'm pressing small o. Small o. What happened? Cursor is go to next line, but it's creating new line and insert mode. Understand? It go to the next line and new line. Next line plus new line and insert mode. That is small o. I press escape, but it is not shifting to previous one, right? What to do? Press U. U means undo. U means undo. Okay. Next, now I'm pressing capital O. Capital O means shift O. Previous line. It create a new line in a previous one. It create a new line First of all, it is going to create a new line, and it is going to previous to the current line. So it go to the above line. It create a new line above to our line, and insert mode. Okay, escape, and U means undo, because I don't want to change anything now. Okay, so what I done again, I'm showing small o, down, new line, complete empty line, and insert mode. Escape, U, undo, and shift capital O means shift O. Shift O means what happen, it is going to above line, new line, that to above to the current line, escape. Okay, so these are all insert commands only. So this is O. If you press O, what happen, in a, it will create a new line, fresh line here after your line, and capital O, this is capital O, above line. Okay, above line. So that is the thing. Next. Okay, and U means, for example, I type something randomly, I type something. Now I want to go to previous state, I'm not yet saved. If you save, you can't do undo. So I want to do undo. Escape, U, see, undo. Also it is showing one change before 10, something it is showing. Okay, so this is undo. If you save, you can't change it, you can't undo. U for undo. Okay, so again, GG, go to top, capital G, go to down, I for insert, capital I, go to the first line, capital I, go to the start of the line, capital A, end of the line, small a, next to the cursor. Okay, small o, next line, new next line with a new empty line, capital O, above line of current line. So whatever the line you are there, so it will go to the above line. Okay, current line. Okay, next, lot of options are there. Okay, so we'll go to important options. For example, I want to copy this line, I want to copy this, due to corona, work from home only. So I want to copy this line. So I'm pressing, so first press escape, make sure you are in a command mode. So right, so I'm press escape, p, p2, sorry, not p, copy, right? So y, you have to type y two times, small y only, y, I press y two times, done. Now I went to the end of the line and press p. What happened? P to paste, y to copy, p to paste, y to copy, p to paste. Okay, next, for example, again press escape. For example, I want to copy these two lines. um, Welcome to Savantis. Savantis is a vendor for. Okay, so we'll change vendor name is insert. This is not at all. So Savantis is a training partners. Partner. Okay, so escape. So I change something. I want to save it. How to save? Colon W for only saving purpose. Okay, just I saved whatever the data here. Okay, no problem. Now these two lines I want to copy. Here I copied one line only. Okay, so now I want to copy these two lines. Savantis is a training partner, and in Pune, Savantis in Karvenagar. 2 lines I want to copy. Okay, now what I'm going to do is yy to copy, right? So now how many lines I want to copy? 2 lines I want to copy, 2 lines. Okay, 2 yy, number 2 yy, then I go to the last p. See, 2 lines are pasted. 2 yy means 2 lines like this. 2 yy means number 2 yy. For copy, 2 lines. Which lines? Current line and next line. Which lines? Current line and next line. Okay, next. I'm pressing U because so much of data is created. So I'm pressing U. That's it. If I press another U, also no changes. Okay, I saved it, but I can't do a undo, redo kind of stuff. Okay, quit once and I will open again. So then no problem. Okay, for example, I want to copy these 3 lines. 3 lines. Welcome to Savantis. Savantis is a training partner in Pune. Savantis is Karve Road. So 3 lines I want to copy. Tell me what is the command? Anyone? 3 lines.
3yy.
Yes. Number 3, YY. So you can see the bottom 3 lines yanked. 3 lines yanked. Yanked means copied here as per this one. I'm go to the down and press P. So 3 lines are copied. Never press P again. You have to go down where you want to paste like this. Like this, you can able to do it. Okay. Escape. You that is enough. Okay. So this is how you can able to copy paste. Okay. So this is totally my file now. Okay. So this is again press escape better. So this is how 3 lines are copied and pasted. Next, how to delete the line? How to delete a line? Line deletion. DD. I deleted a line. DD. But delete line. Okay. To delete a line, it's a command is DD. Okay. Next, how to get back again? For example, accidentally you deleted it. How to get back? U. U for undo. Undo. Next. Okay, so I deleted it, right? So I deleted it and I press U, I get it back. For example, I want to delete 2 lines. For example, I want to delete um, welcome to Savantis, and Savantis is a training partner. I want to delete these 2 lines. So I put a cursor here, this line and next line, 2 lines I want to delete. Number 2, DD. Number 2, DD means deleting 2 lines. Number 2, DD means 2 lines delete. What one? Current and next. Current and next one. Escape U. I put a thing. Okay, next. I want to delete this training. I want to delete training. So I took the cursor here. I took the cursor here at training. DW. DW. I delete that word. Again U. What I done? DW. So I delete the word. Again DW. I delete 2 words. Escape. I deleted 2 words. DW. delete word. Okay, delete word. I want to delete two words. For example, work from home and work from, and as well as home, or maybe like that. Okay, this this word and home, both I want to delete. To dd. Sorry. Mistake. So to delete a word is a dw, right? So dw is a deleting the word. Okay, so two words I want to delete, this and next word also I want to delete it, right? To dw. Okay, now after cursor it is deleting. Escape u. I keep my cursor at the start of the word. I keep my word at start of the word. This word and next word also want to delete it to dw. Now it is deleted. I want to delete three words, 3w, like that. Okay, 3w. So like that. So 2dw means delete two words, delete two words, and make sure that your cursor is should be start of the line. Okay, start of the line. Two words means this word and next word. Okay, make sure that here. Otherwise, what happen? For example, if I am here at k 2w, then it is deleting after the cursor word type only. Okay, no problem. Depends upon your requirement. You have to do it. It's not a mistake or anything. Understand how to delete. Next, I'm at F. I'm at F. I press D dollar. D dollar. What happened? After the cursor means at cursor, from cursor to end of the line. From cursor to end of the line is deleted. Okay. I'll show you again. I'm at F. I'm at F currently. Okay. D and dollar. Shift 4 dollar means current cursor, from cursor to end of the line. From cursor to end of the line. D dollar means from to end of the line. Okay, so like that. So these are the options. Okay, so some more options also there. Yeah, one more option is there. Sorry, I forget. Escape. I'm using a backspace now. What happened? I'm pressing backspace. It is not deleting anything. If I use, for example, if I use insert mode, I'm in insert mode. Use the backspace. It is deleting the text, right? Okay. Now I think you understand, like backspace in a command mode, it is not deleting anything. If I into the insert mode, then only it is deleting the data. The two backspace means cursor and previous one before cursor. Okay. Now I'm in escape command mode. I'm pressing X, small x. It's deleting next to the cursor. Deleting next to the cursor. Okay. Deleting next to the cursor. So like a delete button. So escape in command mode only. I'm using delete button also. Can you see? Delete button. So small x like a delete button. Next, I'm using capital X. I'm in a command mode only. Escape capital X. It's deleting before cursor. Okay, it means small x is like del. Small x is like a del. Capital X is like a backspace. Okay, so like this. And here I told some of things like GG, capital G. GG means first line in, okay, shift cursor to first line, okay, first line. Capital G, where are you located? Shift your cursor to all are we have to use in a command mode. Escape to go to command mode. Okay, I, sorry, press I to go to insert mode. Okay, of course V also there, that is a visual mode. Okay, capital I, what is capital I? Start of line. Capital A, end of line. Small a, next to the
Next to the cursor.
cursor. That's it, right? These are a insert thing. Okay, O, capital O. Insert new line as next line. It will create a next line, right? So capital O, insert mode, it is insert new line above, above the current line, above the current line, above the line. So okay, these are all insert commands. So I am removing GG here. I'll put GG later. Okay, so like this. Because always you should use escape to do anything. Okay, insert mode, insert start of the line, insert end of the line, insert next to the cursor like this. Okay. Next again escape. Okay, you have to do escape for G, undo also escape, copy paste to copy the two lines 2YY, to copy the three lines 3YY. Next DD to delete the line 2DD, deleting two lines means this line and next line. DW to delete the word 2W, this word and next word from the cursor to end of the line. X like a delete button. X means like a backspace. Okay, so go to the PPT, just look at any new one is there. Yes, yes, yes. All are completed. Okay, no, 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 no. Okay, R is there, capital R is there. Except that one, everything is finished. And Q, exclamatory mark, that importance also I have to tell. Okay, next.
Post exit.
Okay, so small r. So for example, first of all, I want to go to escape. Small r, A. It means F become A. Yes, it's got deleted also. No, sorry. U, U. So, okay, see, like here, I want to say, for example, with is there. Instead of I want to replace E. Instead of I want to replace E. Escape, small r, E. That's it. Only one character we can able to put it. If you want to do something differently, like W, nothing is changing here. Okay. Escape U. This is first. Okay. So this is a one. What is the next one? Capital R. You want to replace a word or a next to the cursor. Everything you want to replace. Like I capital R. So it is showing replace in bottom. It can see you can see replace. I'm typing E T Y. Okay. Space CBN. So something space DDTTYY. So something like I can able to change everything from the cursor. Everything from the cursor like that. Escape U. I got it normal. Like I try to change this last one, right? So like a training partner is there, right? So again I want to change to vendor. Like I want to replace the word. Okay, I want to okay. Yeah, one more option is there, not given here. Okay. So don't any other thing. Uh, so VI is there. VI. I want to change it. Escape. Capital R. Sorry. Capital R. Okay. The capital R should be changed to nano. Okay. Escape. U. This way I want to change it. So I go to capital R. Nano. Like that we can able to change it. So we can replace the particular word using replace. You have to search. You have to go to that place and you have to replace it. Like I want to replace Savantis like Vedic Soft. Vedic Soft is a world name, right? I want to replace this Savantis with Vedic Soft. Okay. Escape, capital R, Vedic Soft, like that. Okay. So I can replace it. Or maybe here, escape, capital R, Vedic Soft. See the cursor thing. So replace will damage the line structure also. So you have to be careful when you do it. So that's why I got it out. Okay, so because the letters are one more extra letter is there, so it occupy this space, and when I press space bar it is occupying this place. It means it replace the thing. When you type it replace the text how much you want to put it, remaining is available like that only. So be careful while you are doing replace. Where is this? Small r and capital R. This is for a replace character. It is also replace characters from cursor. Okay, guys, this is the thing. Uh, you know, colon WQ. But these are all we are doing. But can we use nano also, right? But what is the difference? One more difference I want to tell about VI editor. So not one more difference. There are a lot of differences are there, but still, what is the advantage of VI editor? Still more advantages are there. How many lines it is showing currently? It is showing totally it contains 10 lines. It contains 10 lines now, and 260 characters are there in this one. 260 characters are there in this one, and 10 lines it is there. Okay, it is showing here. Next, I want to do something in the this line, in particular line, this line. So I go to this line in Corona line. I went to this line, and I want to edit this line. I want to edit this line. So what I have to do? Escape. Anyway, I'm in a top. I am going to that particular line, press insert button, then only I can able to change it, right? I can able to change it. Okay, but If I want to do something in a bottom line, I'm in a top, I can go down very easily by capital G, no problem. But if I want to do a particular line means like 1 2 3 4 5, this is the fifth line. I want to go to fifth line. No, I have to count. Some document is there, you have to go to change fifth line. You got a project in that one, that's he said go to fifth line, change fifth line. You have to count it fifth line. Easy, no problem, right? But what if, so what is this? For example, if you have a 50 lines, you have a if you have a 50 lines, you have to go to 20th line. How can you go? You have to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 20. You have to count it, right? Okay, 20 is also okay, no problem. 150 lines, you have to go to for example some 70 line, 70th line. So are you going to do 1 2 3 70 times? It's okay. You have around 1500 lines, then you have to go to something 170 line, or maybe 570 line. Can we do it? We can do it, right? So like this, I will. This is the fifth line, guys. Remember, this is the fifth line. Escape, come out from it. Vi plus 5 D file 1, enter. Where is my cursor? My cursor is at fifth line directly. I didn't go to fifth line, but automatically came to fifth line. So how it is possible? So I use this command. Okay. So I use this command. So like vi plus 5 g file 1 means what happened here? What is this command for? Go to fifth line. Okay. Cursor go to fifth line. Again I'm going. See, cursor go to fifth line. If I want to edit something, press I, then I will do editing. So understand? For example, I want to go to eighth line. Eighth line I want to go. So I go to eighth line. This is the eighth line. If you want to count, you can count it. No problem. So total 10 lines. So 10th, 9, 8. So down to up. Okay. So this is how we can go to a particular line. This is one advantage of VA editor. Next, guys, if you see the 70s, so many times 70s is given, right? First line, second line, third line, so many times the 70s here. In this line, I want to replace 70s with Vedic soft. I want to replace 70s with Vedic soft in this line. In this line, okay. I'm going to colon. Okay, I'm going to colon escape colon escape colon. I'm in a down. I'm in a this line only, right? So this line, okay, colon. Um, yes slash 70s slash Vedic soft. Mm, so I done a spelling mistake. Okay, escape yes slash 70s slash Vedic soft. Can you see in this line 70s is there? Now it is become Vedic soft. See, but if you see other lines, the 70s, these 70s, and these 70s, and these 70s, these 70s is still 70s only, but it is replaced this one only. Why? Because I keep a cursor here and based on my command also. One is I want to say change only for this line, so I keep a cursor here and I use a command is like this. So it will change in the current line only. Where your cursor is there, it will change here only. Okay. So this is for replace a text with new. Replace a word, I put a easily text or a word, you can use word or a text, you can use with new one. Okay, so how to give? Yes, slash word text slash new text. Okay, so this is how we can able to give, and make sure that, so where it will change, where it will change, replace word with new at cursor only, where your cursor is there, the cursor line only, in the cursor line only, you can put a cursor anywhere, but in that cursor line only. Okay, next, of course, escape you, again I will change back, I changed back. Okay, of course I want to change all 70s with Vedic Sound. Where are the 70s? There I want to change with the Vedic Sound. There is a column, but the column is capital S and small s. Currently um, I will try to change, but the capital S things won't change. It's a case sensitive part, so we'll have to find another solution, but I will show you that one also. Percentage, yes, same command, but percentage. 7 is Vedic soft. Enter. Four substitutes happen, so you can see. So this 7 is become Vedic soft. This 7 is become Vedic soft. This 7 is become Vedic soft, and this 7 is become Vedic soft. But these 70s are there because it's a capital letters. Because it's capital letter, no. So that's the problem. Okay. So what command I use? I use same command, percentage yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what is this? It's I will note down this one. So here, so it replace a word or a text. Okay, okay. It replace old text with new text in in entire file. In entire file, it is changing. Okay, it is entire file. It is changing. Of course, capital S is not changing. Why? Because of case sensitive issues. I'm trying. This is a new trial. 6 subjects. So now the capitalist things also change it to Vedic soft. See, this is why you should learn wildcard math. What I use here in this one, I use this one. I put a bracket like this and this one like this. What is this meaning? Meaning of this one means two things. Meaning will come up here. Meaning is 7 is and as well as 7 is. Okay. So smallest 70s, capital S 70s. Okay, so only thing that's everything is there. Just you have to try it once. If you try, you will understand. So I changed it successfully. See, all 70s with capital S, small s. Now it is changed to Vedic soft. I reverted it back for just practice. So this is how to replace. But before replace, I have to tell one more thing, but I didn't tell. Okay, so I will tell now. See my current cursor. See my current cursor. I'm in a fifth line. Escape colon. I want to find where is 70s. Colon slash 70s. Escape colon slash 70s. Immediately it is going to this one. Where I kept here. My cursor is kept here. Then it is shifted to here only. So immediately it is try to find the next to the cursor. For example, if I keep my cursor at here, first line, escape colon slash 70s. Now it is shifted to next line. Why? Because of my 70s in the next line only it will show, not all lines. Of course, we can get it also. Capital 70s. It is go to that one only. Okay. So for example, I keep my cursor at top and I want to type Carway Road. Carway. It is shifted to that line automatically. But it is not shifting to here. It is not highlighting here. Okay. So this is how you can able to find a text in the file. So wherever you located at current cursor position, next to the cursor only it will try to find it. It won't go to the above. It won't go to above. So we'll go to this one. Sorry, escape. I am in here. I edit file with vi. I want to search for G file 1. So I'm in a down. G file 1 is in a first line, right? G file 1 is a first line. It's throwing an error. Search sheet bottom continue at top. So it is go to the top, but it is showing a red color. Okay. Okay. I will try welcome. Okay. Escape. So I'm came to this one. Okay. So after the cursor, welcome is not there. Colon welcome. So it went to the top. Again, it will check the bottom. In a bottom lines don't have it, then it go to the top. It go to the top. Okay. So like that. But if you are in the middle, it won't go to the top. If you are here, it go to this line only. Welcome is here. It will go to the welcome down only. It won't go to up. But if you are here, so it is go to down and then it is go to the up. Okay. So something missing in here. I actually we can highlight all 70s. All 70s in the text also we can highlight it, but it is not showing like that. Percentage G. It depends upon system it works. See, it displaying those lines. It displaying those lines, but it is not highlighting. It is displaying that lines, not displaying. Okay, so here it is. Escape colon slash 70s. It means search 70s word in file. Okay, so already understand how to use it. Okay, so this is about your VA editor. Okay, So you can also open. Okay, yeah, already given here. So these are all things about your VA editor. Now go to this minus minus. So open a file. Escape means command mode. Every time you have to use the escape frequently. We have to use it. Whenever you do some changes, you can do. If you want to undo, undo is U undo. Okay. I, capital A, capital O, small o are for insert commands. Okay, insert mode, start of the line, end of the line, next to the cursor, above line, the next line. It create a new line. Okay, insert a new line as a next line. This is also insert command, and insert a new line in above line, empty line. GG for going top of the line, capital G for okay, shifted to okay, shift cursor to I put a end of the line, something it is deleted, no problem. U for undo, YY to copy, P to paste. 2YY means two lines to copy, 3YY three lines to copy. P is one only, one P only. DD to delete the line, 2DD to delete the two lines, 3DD deleting three lines. Deleting a word, DW, 2DW deleting two words, 3W three words deleted. D dollar from cursor to the next end of the line, it will delete. X like a del, it delete the next to the cursor. X is like a backspace, it delete the text before the cursor. Delete the text before the cursor. R for replacement of a characters, replacement replace the characters. R is a replacement of characters from the cursor actually. Okay, next when you open a vi file, like a plus 5 means go to fifth line, plus 8 eighth line, plus 50 50th line, plus 60 means 60th line, like that you can go to directly a particular line. Okay, next yes, like this we can able to replace a word and that one. Okay, so old text we can replace with a new text. Okay, like this, and here I got a problem, so I have a word with a case sensitive like capital and small, then I use like this wildcard part. Percentage s means search entire text and replace with a word. Okay, next this is I use, this is for a searching a particular text in the line, and of course one more is there. If a word is repeatedly there, if a word is repeatedly there, you want to continuously go to that word only, like a search, find and replace. Yeah, this is like a find and replace. Okay, this is like a find and replace. Okay, this is like a find. Okay, this is like a, in a wordpad you have a find, right? This is like a find in Windows. This is like a find. This is like a find and replace type. Okay, this is like a find and replace. This is like a find command only. Okay, of course, like you want to continue search part also there, you have to search in Google once again, because sometimes it work, sometimes it is not working for me. No problem. So this is about your vi editor.